what is the remainder on the division of x to the power 235 plus x to the power 185 minus x to the power 95 plus x to the power 45 plus 2 when it is divided by x cube minus x? So first thing we need to understand here is that if we divide any polynomial by x cube minus x, the maximum power of x in the remainder will be x square. For example, if we divide any polynomial by another polynomial where the polynomial in the where the highest power of x in the polynomial by which we are dividing is let's say x to the power 5, then the remainder will have the highest power of x as 4. So in this case, as we are dividing by x cube minus x, so the remainder will have the highest power of x as 2. So we can rewrite this whole thing now as x to the power 235. Just look at the third line in here, x to the power 235 plus x to the power 185 minus x to the power 95 plus x to the power 45 plus 2 can be written as px into x cube minus x, where px is the quotient here. Px is the quotient. So px into x cube minus x, that is the polynomial by which we are dividing, plus the remainder, which is ax square plus bx plus c. Now to find out the remainder, what we need to do is find out the values of a, b and c. To do that, we have to reduce px into x cube minus x to 0. When we reduce px into x cube minus x to 0, then we'll get three equations, and from those three equations we can get the value of a, b and c, and thus the remainder. So we know that x cube minus x can be written as x into x minus 1 into x plus 1. So we can write the whole equation as x to the power 235 plus x to the power 185 minus x to the power 95 plus x to the power 45 plus 2 equal to px, which is the quotient, into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus the remainder, which is ax square plus bx plus c. So now to eliminate px, we can take the value of x as 0, 1 and minus 1, because quotient into x minus 1 into x plus 1 is there. So to eliminate px, we can take the value of x as 0, 1 or minus 1. When we take x as 0, we get c equal to 2. If we put x equal to 0 in the above equation, we get the value of c as 2. If we put the value of x as 1, when you will do it, you can find out easily, then we get the value of a plus b plus c equal to 4. And when we put the value of x in the above equation as minus 1, we again get left hand side is 0 and right hand side is a minus b plus c, right? So now solving these three equations, we can easily get the value of a, b and c as a equal to 0, b equal to 2 and c equal to 2. From x equal to 0, we already got the value of c as 2. So putting the value of c as 2 in second and third equation of ABC, we can easily get the value of b as 2 and c as also 2. So the remainder which we had said earlier was ax square plus bx plus c will be 2x square plus will be 2x plus 2, because a equal to 0. So the remainder will be 2 into x plus 1. We are not getting an x square in the remainder because coefficient of x square here is 0. Coefficient of x square in the remainder, which is a equal to 0, that's why the remainder we don't have x square, we just have 2x plus 2.